Makan nasi goreng hari ni. Sedapnya. Just start recording. Okay. Ya. Boleh dah. Itu equations, inequalities and absolute values again. Okay, good evening all of you. Okay, and welcome to our eKuliah again lah. So look at this chapter, mathematics. So for this lecture, this lecture 3 of 5. 3 of 4. Okay, out of all lectures, this is the number 3. Absolute values. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to solve absolute inequalities of the form of modulus of AX plus B greater than CX plus C. Hari ini sebenarnya hanya sebelah modulus. Ingat sebelum ini yang kita belajar without modulus. It's just linear and non-linear. Tak ada modulus. Hari ini kita belajar sebelas. Mungkin ada orang tertanya, minggu lepas, kuliah minggu lepas, bukan kita dah belajar modulus tak? Ya, yang kita belajar modulus itu sama minggu lepas. Last week. So for this week, this is involving modulus, but it's for inequality. It's for inequalities. So if you look at these absolute values inequalities, absolute values inequalities. So this is a modulus of x and a. It is equivalent to x in between negative a and a. Atau kita nak lukis illustrate in this three diagram. Ini kawasan ini. Okay. So this is the first definitions for you. This is the first definitions for you. So kenapa kita perlu definitions ini? Saya tunjuk before I start my lecture. Let's say if I give you, according to the definitions, okay, the modulus of x, if it is less than a, if it is less than a, then you can open up the modulus by using this formula. Okay, ini adalah rumus. Ini adalah rumus. And after this step, okay, or you can even expand it by using x greater than negative a and x is less than a lah. Yang ini dua step. Bila kita tengok benda ni, you boleh pecah jadi, yang ini first itu definitely you need to write down to open up the modulus. Kemudian langkah kedua ni, it depends on question lah. Kalau perlu kita kembangkan macam tu. So remember the word and here. Apa maksud saya di sini? Okay, so let me tell you. So if I give you the modulus of x plus 2. Jadi based on the definitions here, modulus of x plus 2. Ini adalah x kita. Ini adalah a kita. So you can rewrite it as x plus 2 buat di depan. Apa yang di tengah-tengah modulus itu, buat di tengah. So less than, greater or equals to negative 5 and it is less than 5. It is less than 5. Ini maksudnya. So this lesson sampai sekarang, sampai setakat ini, is only for less than. Is only for less than. Itu kita belajar equal kan. Sekarang saya bagi less than. Okay. Once given modulus x, modulus of x is less than a, if and only if x is greater than negative a and x is a. So let's say if I give you the modulus of x squared plus 5 is less than x minus 6, let's say. Okay. Rumus ini adalah untuk kita expand. That's just to solve the inequality involving one-sided modulus yang melibatkan modulus. Okay. So let's say for example this one. So how you are going to expand this one? Sekarang ini kita expand sahaja. Kita tak cuba solve lagi. Later you will see how to solve it. The first one. Okay, can you write down your answer? Boleh tak kamu tolong tulis jawapan kamu? Okay. So now, this is your X. Where this one is your A. Ini adalah X, ini adalah A kan? Jadi as usual, we write our X here. So our X tengah-tengah X squared plus 5. Greater than, less than, right? So this is negative. And what about the other side? What is your A? On the right hand side, it must be A is X minus 6. Okay, setakat ini boleh tak kamu follow? Boleh tak? Ya, kalau yang ni, if you don't know how to expand it, how to write it, without modulus, to open up the modulus, tak guna belajar hari ni, semua tak guna. Thank you Anissa dengan Syahira, Maisara, okay, Hazlin, okay, thank you Muhammad Faiz. Kalau tak boleh bagi tahu. Nah, okay, baik. Kalau boleh kita teruskan. So, as a conclusion. Oh, seronoknya bila baru mula dengar conclusion dah kan. So first of all, you must remember this one, the whole thing one. Satu yang kamu perlu hafal. Okay, the second one is the modulus of X less than or equals to A. It is equivalent to X greater or equals to negative A and X is less than or equals to negative A. So dua benda ini sama. If with equal sign, definitely this one must. Sebenarnya kita hafal salah satu cukup lah. Okay, salah satu cukup. Okay, the second one is for basic definition. What about the second one? Okay, the second one. So the modulus of X is greater than A. It is equivalent to X greater than A or X is less than negative A. Yang kedua pula, kita tengok yang kedua. So, lepas ini janganlah tanya bila kita nak guna N, bila kita nak guna O. So, for example, I give you one example for this one. So, based on the definition, the second definition, cukup penting, tolong kalau ada kertas, bukan ada kertas lah, kena cari kertas. Kemudian kita tuliskan rumus dia. Tuliskan rumus dia lah. Tuliskan, senaraikan rumus, senang kita nak rujuk. Senang kita nak rujuk. So the modulus of X is greater than A if and only if. Kalau nak buka modulus, X is greater than A or X is less than negative A. Okay. Untuk makluman tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, rumus ini diberi oleh ahli matematik. Tak satu pun tak boleh ubah. Satu pun tak boleh ubah. You need to remember. You have to memorize. So even together with the word or, kita kena hafal ya. Tak ada cara lain. Matematik itu kalau tak hafal memang tak boleh jawab. I tell you. So example, how to open up the modulus. I would like to teach you. Let's say if I give you X plus 2 is greater. Sekarang itu untuk lebih besar. Okay, greater than 5. Then how we are going to open up this modulus? Okay, I give you 1 minute. Based on the definitions, can you please show me your answer? Cuba kamu jawab. Wah, sini hujan. Tempat kamu hujan tak yang lain? Lebat pula.
Sama juga, hujan juga kat sini.
Hujan lebat tak? Baru guruh
Lebat.
dekat KMK. Lebat Okey ke tak? Kamu okey tak kalau guna line Takut ada kilat guru kilat. Kalau tak boleh kita tunda, tak apa. Okey tak? Guru Ayo.
Kena sekali.
Eh?
Kilat sama
Nak
wifi.
kena
Wifi rosak habis.
Sambat wifi kat rumah.
Yup. Rosak
Kalau
wifi.
handset okey tak biasa Saya pun tak pasti. Kalau ada guru tu macam mana kita nak sambung? Okey, saya ikut tak apa. Saya sini pun ada guru. Polis panas elok je. Okey, polis kita sambung. Mari. Okey. Baik, tak apalah kita sambung sikit. Hari ni pendek sebenarnya. Kita line teruk Okey, ya. Line teruk sikit lah, hujan lebat. Selangor pun panas Hai. Okey. Kita sambung. So, the modulus of x plus 2. Ini kita panggil x. Ini kita panggil a. So, for this one, if greater than, we must use this formula. We must use the formula here. So, we need to write down x. Where our x now is x plus 2. Greater than a. A is 5. Or, x is less than negative a. So, our x now is x plus 2 less than negative a, which is negative 5. Okey tak? Semua kalau kita tekat nak buka yang ini, okey ke tak? Takut juga kena guru ni. Okey Okey. Baik. Hari tu ada orang tanya waktu tutorial walaupun tak secara fizikal melalui WhatsApp. So after this, actually we got two inequalities here. We have split it up into two inequalities. First and the second. Kita dah pecahkan jadi dua inequalities. So to solve these inequalities, as usual, first of all, saya bagi satu contoh lah. First of all, you need to ask yourself. Khalif ada tak kat sini, Khalif? Khalif? Khalif ada tak? Khalif hari ni tak join pula dah. Okey, tak apa. So, ini adalah inequality. Bila kita nak solve inequality, langkah pertama kita tanya, is there with modulus? So, then kalau now without modulus, right now for this one, without modulus, then is this a linear inequality? Adakah dia linear inequality, Khalif? Tengok. Khalif, kalau tengok, adakah dia linear inequality? Ya, bagus. Kalau linear inequality, apa yang kita buat? We solve it directly. 5 minus 2, 3. So this is the first set of solutions. The solutions for this part. Then what about the second one? As usual, to solve it, before you solve it, you need to ask, is this a linear inequality? Kalau yes, you just solve it directly. Okay, x less than negative 5 minus 2, which is negative 7. So ada orang bagi tahu saya, kan? Ada orang bagi tahu saya. Dia satu set dia jawapan. Jawapan saya ada dua. Di sini kita back to chapter 1. Back to chapter 1. We need to merge these two sets of solutions. We need to merge it by using the skill of number line. We need to use number line. So negative 7. Okay. Dia susah sikit lah bila saya lukis dengan mouse. Dia susah sikit. Tak apalah, hodoh-hodoh pun nampak kot Yang lain. So negative 7 and the other one is 3 here. So x is greater than 3 and x is less than negative 7. So we need to merge the answer and write down the answer. X is Okay, X kurang dari negatif 7 or X greater than 3 macam jawapan. Macam tu. Okay. Lawa je sir. Sir yang lawa tulisannya hodoh. Kan? Kalau tak guna mouse pun hodoh juga tapi nak buat macam mana? Cakap pilah saya cari alasan. Yeah, thank you. No, Sarah. Okay, this one, okay, the modulus of X. So, you need to remember, actually there are 4 formula. There are 4 formula for this one. The first one, the modulus of X less than A. The second one, the modulus of X greater than A. You kena hafal, So, these 4 the basic definitions. Then look at this one, method of solving absolute values. There are 2 methods of solving these values. The second one, we can squaring both sides. Kalau ada absolute values or modulus, you ada 2 kaedah. Satu guna basic definitions. Kalau sebelah sahaja ada modulus AX plus B less than C. Okay, macam tu. Atau modulus of AX plus B greater than C. Macam tu. Kalau sebelah modulus, we use basic definitions. Kalau kiri kanan ada modulus, we just simply squaring both sides. So, sorry terpaksa left hujan dengan kilat teruk. Okay, tak apa, it's okay. No, Fatihah. Yang lain macam mana yang lain? Kalau terpaksa left, kita left saja, tak apa. Kita semua pakai berhenti, kemudian kita sambung esok ke, bila-bila. Johor okey Masih okey. Okey, siapa yang tak ada live nanti kita akan masukkan video lah. Atau you can you boleh tengok video Miss Wani lah. All good sir. Okey, kita sambung lah. Okey. Baik, thank you. Kita sambung. So the next one. Okay. For example, the first one A. The modulus of 2x plus 3 is less than 5. Okay, can you tell me? We are going to use sekat sikit. Sekat-sekat, no? Nak buat macam mana? Maaf sir, lain sekat. Sebab saya kan, sebab yang lain okey tak? Kan semua orang macam tu. Line saya sekarang teruk. Saya takut line saya yang teruk. Okey dah? Okey, thank you. Yang lain okey. Jadi kalau sekat-sekat sikit kita nak buat macam mana? Okey sir, cuma guruh. Okey. Yalah. Saya sini pun sama. Tak apa, kita sambung sambung cepat sikit, kita rehat lah. Sambung. Okey, baik. Thank you. Okey. Baik, kita tengok yang ini. The modulus of 2x plus 3 is less than 5. Kalau kita ikut itu, we need to use which formula? We have learned 3 formula, is it, for modulus? Betul tak? 4, 5. 5 formula. Ingat tak apa formula dia? Ingat tak? Kita dah belajar 5 formula untuk modulus. Apa dia? Ingat tak? Bukan hari ni lah. Setakat ini. Sebenarnya 6 tapi saya sebut 5 dulu. Okey, ingat tak? Satu, the modulus of x. The modulus of x equals A. If and only if x equals A or x is equal to negative A. Satu untuk sama. Satu. Yang kedua, kalau ada kertas tolong tulis. Modulus of x less than A if and if x is greater than negative A and x is less than A. Yang ketiga, modulus of x greater than A if and only if x is greater than A or x is less than negative A. Okay. Yang keempat, Cuma tambah equal here. Yang kelima sama juga tambah equal here. Okay, ingat So look at this one, the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. There are 5 formulas for you. So look at this one. The modulus of 2x plus 3 is less than 4. It's less than, less than 5. Kita nak guna rumus yang keberapa untuk buka modulus itu? Number 2. Ya, betul. Ya, good. Okay, dah tahu nak buka. Langkah pertama, dah tahu nak buka. Okay. Tahu dah buka kah, Fahmi? Sofwan, dah buka kah, Pak Choi? Faiz, Zunur. Dah buka kah? Okay. So, okay. So the first one, based on this formula, the first one, kita buka 2x plus 3 is less than 5 and 2x plus 3 is greater than negative 5. Macam tadi saya sebut, the first step you can write down. 2x plus 3 is greater than negative 5 and 2x plus 3 is less than 5. Okay, macam saya cakap tadi lah. Okay, 2x plus 3 is in between negative 5 and 5. Okay, boleh tak? Meaning that 2x plus 3 in between negative 5 and 5. Okay. So since this is an inequality, betul tak without modulus? This is the inequality without modulus. Bila nak solve inequality without modulus, apa yang kita nak tanya diri kita? Boleh bagi tahu saya apa yang kita nak tanya diri kita? Ya, linear ke tak? Ya, linear ke tak? Adakah yang ini linear? Ya, kalau ya kita buat macam mana? Kalau ya, biasanya kita boleh selesaikan direct solve. Yeah, very good. Yeah, boleh solve directly. So as usual lah, this one you can solve it directly lah. 2x is greater or equals to negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. 5 minus 3, which is 2. Okay, then what about your x? X must be in between negative 4 and 1, is it? Then we just simply put this one, x colon. Okay, we got the answer. As simple as A, B, C, right? Okay, kalau kita, if you try to solve it directly. For some of the question, I tell you, you can't solve it directly. If you can't solve it directly, normally we need to split it. Macam saya cakap tadi. Okay, yang ni alternative. Tengok alternative method. So it is 2x plus 3 is less than 5 and 2x plus 3 is greater than negative 5. Okay, then we can solve this one. 2x is linear, 2x is less than 2, x is less than 1. Then the other one, 2x is greater than negative 8, x is greater than negative 4. So we have two sets of solutions here. Kita ada dua solutions. We need to combine it by using n. N itu. How to combine? Back to chapter 1. Number line. Back to chapter 1. Okay, then next. Okay. So to combine it, we need a number line. So the first line, x is greater than negative 4. The other one, x is less than 1. Then we need to combine by using the symbol n, the operator n. So it's intersections. Okay. So sinilah. So the answer is supposed to be in between minus 4 and 1. Right now, x in between minus 4 and 1. Okay. Macam tu lah. Nah. Okay, so the solution set. Okay tak? Okay tak? Yang ni alternatif. Yang tadi tu dia kebetulan boleh jawab terus sebab because of linear. Okay. The next one. Okay. I give you 1 minute. Then you answer. I give you 1 minute. I give you 1 minute. You solve it. Wah, hujan-hujan ni saya ngantuk. I give you 1 minute. Okay, what is your answer? Apa jawapan kamu? Okay. So once again, it's less than or equals to 4. So kita nak guna rumus yang keberapa untuk selesai. Dah dapat ke tak? Kan jam dah hang lah. Buat tak ada siapa pun respon dekat saya. 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, number 4. Ya. 4 tu rumus keempat kan? Okay, less than or equals to 4. Okay. So, yeah, supposed to use, okay, this rumus is actually same as number 2 just now. Okay, number 2 punya, kan? Okay. So, modulus of x minus 1. So, x minus 1, yeah, is less than or equals to 4, right? Modulus of x minus 1 is less than or equals to 4. So, kita tulis 4. X minus 1 is between minus 4 and 4. Betul kan ni saya ni? X minus 1 in between less than 4, right? So modulus of x minus 1 is less than or equals to 4. So as usual, x minus 1 is between negative 4 and 4. So since this is the linear inequality, right now, x greater or equals to negative 4 plus 1, negative 3. 4 plus 1, 5, right? Tulis macam tu ya. Guna formula keempat. Betul, tepat. Diana, bagus. Okey, yang lain dapat ke tak? Dapat ke tak? Dapat lah. So, dapat itu dapat. But anyway, you need to use this technique. This technique to solve it. Okay, kita perlu guna teknik ini. Okay, have you tried to use this technique to solve it? So this one, it is x minus 1 is less than or equals to 4 and x minus 1 is greater or equals to negative 4. Okay. Kita dah buat dah, dah guna dah kaedah ni. Pecah nanti gabung by using number line. Dah buat tak? You kena tahu kedua-dua kaedah sebab for some of the question you can solve it directly, I tell you. Okay, so for this one, x minus 1 is less than or equals to 4. Dah, no? Okay, baik. So this one, kita solve it. X is less than or equals to 5. This is the solution for this part. We can solve it directly as this is the linear inequalities. And the other side, x is greater or equals to negative 3. And then, since you've got the operator here, and then we have to merge it. Then the intersections area must be in between -3 to 5 Dapat Khalif, dapat Khalif? Okay. So next one. This one as well. So can you please solve it now? I give you 1 minute again. Dapat good Khalif. Okay, Zairil. Khalif buat dua-dua kaedah tak Khalif? Tak buat satu Khalif. Ya, bagus. Okay. So this one as well. Normally this one, kita kena guna kaedah itu sajalah, greater than. So the first step, kita nak guna rumus yang keberapa tadi? Macam mana nak buka modulus? Tiga good. Okay, basically lah most of you you know how to choose the formula So the third one. Third one apa dia? Yang ini, the definitions, right? When the modulus of x is greater than a, if and only if x is greater than a or x is less than negative a. Nampak bila greater than itu kita dapat or. Jangan tanya se. Bila nak guna or, bila nak guna and. Memang dalam definitions itu dia beritahu dah. Okay. Then for this one, 4x plus 1 is greater than 2x minus 5. Or, don't forget to write or. Saya tengok ramai yang buat tak tulis pun or. Dan definitions adalah or tu. So, is 4x plus 1 less than negative, negative a, which is 2x minus 5. Kemudian kita tengok, dia mesti ada wujudnya. Bila ada modulus, dia memang akan wujudnya kiri dan kanan. So the left side, before you solve this inequality, you must ask, is there any modulus? Tak ada modulus. Is this a linear inequality? Yeah, kalau linear, we just simply solve it directly lah. So 4x minus 2x. Okay, minta maaf. Halo kelas. Okay. Minta maaf
Jam
Jam
semua sebab
rumah saya
trip.
Sekarang saya guna handphone. Sekejap semua. Okey lah. Router okey dah Mio. Mio kanda Okey, boleh dengar semua. Suara lekat-lekat boleh Okey. Okey, baik. 2x is greater than negative 6. Then the next one, x is greater than negative 3. And then the other side 4x plus 1 kita buat kiri, kita buat kanan. Okay, 4x plus 1 is less than negative 2x plus 5. 6x is less than 4. X is less than 2 over 3. Okay, after we obtain these two set of inequality, so we need to merge it by using the symbol or union. So we need a number line. We need a number line to combine the answer. So the first one, x is less than 2 over 3. The other one, x is greater than negative 3. So by using this all itu maksudnya semua. Betul tak? Tengok di atas itu. So the answer is supposed to be x is the element of any real number. Or you can write your answer kalau tak tahu semua tu, you tulis macam ni pun tak apa, betul. X in between negative infinity and infinity. Macam tu pun tak apa, betul. So kalau dia tak request, you write in interval form. Interval form you can write negative infinity to infinity. Semua ini jawapan yang betul lah. Ada orang mungkin dia tertanya kenapa tahu kita buat element of R kan. Okay next. End of the lesson. Okay. Setengah jam. Ada sebarang pertanyaan? Ada sebarang pertanyaan tak? Tiada nah? Boleh ya? Okey. Kalau boleh, kalau boleh, kita ingatkan balik. Hari ini kita belajar 5 rumus. Sebelum ini kita belajar 5 rumus ini, termasuk hari ini. Modulus of X sama dengan A. Satu. Modulus of kurang dari A. Modulus of X greater than A. Modulus of X less than or equals to A. Modulus of X greater or equals to A. Kita ada 5 rumus kesemuanya dah belajar. Okay. Dah, ya betul. Pensyarah kena cuba buat dululah. Jadi apa-apa pun you cuba buat. Esok kamu dah ada sebahagian dah datang lapor diri. Jadi untuk yang seterusnya kelas kita buat hari Rabu lah. Boleh nah? Okay. Saya rasa yang itu cukup kot untuk hari ni. Boleh. Okay, baik. Terima kasih sebab hujan lebat. Okay, thank you. Jumpa lagi. Good night. Okay, semua. Bye. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, good night. Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night.